Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chewy caramel. First, gather your essential ingredients: granulated sugar, light corn syrup, unsalted butter, heavy cream, and a pinch of salt. Ensure you have a reliable heavy-bottomed pot to prevent scorching and a candy thermometer for precise temperature control. This careful preparation is absolutely key for a smooth cooking process and ultimately delicious, perfectly chewy caramel. Begin by combining the sugar, corn syrup, and a small amount of water in your pot. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring gently until the sugar dissolves. Once boiling, insert your candy thermometer and continue cooking without stirring until it reaches exactly 245 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, carefully stir in the butter and warm cream. Once the caramel is cooked, immediately pour it into a prepared 9 by 13-inch pan that has been lightly buttered. Resist the urge to scrape the pot, as this can introduce sugar crystals. Let the caramel cool undisturbed at room temperature for several hours, or until it is completely firm. Then, use a sharp, buttered knife to cut it into 1-inch squares. To keep your chewy caramels fresh and prevent them from sticking together, wrap each individual piece tightly in wax paper. Store these wrapped caramels in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. They also freeze beautifully for longer storage. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab some little trees black ice. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.